if I was not to do anything with this, just worth the relief in my own body, the relief in my own mind. It's worth just that. Yeah, just to have that heavy weight gone and just to be able to breathe again, and just, I don't know, I'm really looking forward to going home and starting again. Guilt has cost me so far, probably not to grow as a person, but I feel I need to be there for my family, and by doing this I'm probably not there for them now, and for my husband will work together in the business. If I kept guilt, I just wouldn't grow. I'd be stuck in a rut. I don't know, I'd probably end up back in retail, which I really don't want to do. So I want to do something for myself, something I enjoy, and I can pick and choose the time I want to be there, and go to yoga, do something else, and then go to work, and just have the freedom and the flexibility to do what I want. Right at this moment, my fear of the future is probably an 8 to 9. Just unsure about this whole week, unsure about where it's going to lead me, whether it will give me employment. It's probably pulled me back from doing things that I wanted to do. If I kept fear of the future, I would never move anywhere. I'd never move on. So I see guilt now, it's not a big issue anymore. It's 0. Yeah, it's gone. It's completely gone. I would rate fear of the future as probably a 0, because I don't know where it's going to lead me, and we'll just take each day as it comes. But it's exciting because it's going to be something different. So it'll be a new beginning. Whatever I do, I know I'm doing it from my heart, from a good place, and it is what it is. This course compares to other things because you see a result straight away. You see a result from the time you start to the time you finish. Where other courses is usually you've got to go home and do all this other work and work on yourself, whereas this one, I think walking out today, the results are already there. If someone else is considering this course, I say give it a go. You've got nothing to lose, and guarantee you will leave feeling so much better, so much more confident. And if that's the only thing you take away from here, it's a plus. But yeah, no, it's a good thing. Go ahead.